So what exactly are GLP-1s? Hello and welcome back. I'm Dr. Adonis, and today we're diving deeper into the science behind GLP-1s and how they play a crucial role in weight loss. GLP-1s, or glucagon-like peptide 1, are hormones naturally produced in the intestines in response to food intake, and their primary function is regulating blood sugar levels by stimulating insulin release from the pancreas. But their effects don't stop there. GLP-1s also play a crucial role in our metabolism. When GLP-1s are released, they slow down the rate at which food empties from the stomach, leading to a feeling of fullness or satiety. They can also signal to the brain to reduce food intake and increase energy expenditure, further aiding in weight loss efforts. On the other hand, a GLP-1 agonist is a synthetic medication that mimics the action of GLP-1s. They're designed to activate the same receptors in the body that natural GLP-1 does, leading to similar effects. So in essence, GLP-1s are like a silent hero hormone, regulating our metabolism, controlling our appetite, and ultimately helping us maintain a healthy weight. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on more helpful content. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.